Hello, and welcome to Universal Restaurant All, an online platform where cooks and customers come together to benefit both sides. In this video, we're going to look at how to use the filtering and search features, as well as the search by location function. You should already know how to use the main services from our previous videos. So now we're going to use the dishes and the cooks list to directly search for the dish or the cook that we need. Let's first go to the cooks, and you will then see a full list of cooks here. Although this is all just currently sample information. For easier viewing, you can close the hamburger menus to view in full screen. You can also use the grid view or the list view, whichever you prefer. You can scroll down to browse the different cooks, and you can set preferences in the side filters available on the left. Here you can see the total number of cooks currently in the system, and you can search them by their name, the service type they provide, the country they're in, the experience in years, their ratings, and the number of dishes they have cooked. For example, let's do a sample search for all the cooks who have at least 10 years of experience. You can see that the list of cooks has dropped from 9 to 7. Let's narrow down the search again. We can search for cooks that provide the prepare and deliver by cook service. Now you can see that our search results have dropped again to 2 cooks. If you want to remove the filters and search again, you can just click Clear Filters and start from the beginning. When looking through the list of cooks, you can also see the available information for each cook. For example, their country, their experience, best dishes, how many dishes they've sold up to here, and so on. Now we'll take a look at how to search using the filters on the dish list. You can open the dish list from the left menu, and again you can collapse the side menus so you can get the full screen view. At the top of the list, you will see there's a sort feature here. So you can sort according to the main, or by the price high to low, or vice versa. You will see the total number of dishes, and you can search according to the dish name. You can also sort by categories, so if you only want to search for breakfast, for example, you can do that here. If you want to choose a specific country for the cook, you can filter that. Or if you want to filter by the country of the dish, you can also do that below. You can use the price filter, filter by user ratings, or filter by dietary requirements. More options will be added to these filters, for example to include gluten-free options, kosher meals, or dairy-free, and so on. You can also use the tags, so if you want to find pizza, for example, you can just choose that tag. Now let's do a search by category. You can use the filter to select sweets and pastry. And you can see there are 5 dishes in this category. From here, you can choose which dishes you want to order and add them to your cart. So this is how we can use the filters to search directly for cooks and dishes. Next, we're going to look at how to use the search by location feature. If you head to the main page, you can access this feature in the left menu. You'll then be taken to the map page, where we will again see some filters on the left-hand side where you can filter the cook by their name, their service type, their country, experience in years, their cook rating, or the dishes they've cooked. You can also enter your own country and search for cooks in your area. You can use the mouse scroll to zoom in and out of the map. Cooks who have entered their coordinates into their profile will now show up on the map at their locations. So here you can see there are 2 in this area. If you click on them, you can see their basic information. And if you click on View Details, it'll take you to the profile page of that cook. Where you can view their ratings and dishes, etc., as well as their location. We hope you enjoyed this video for Universal Restaurant on how to use the filtering and search features, as well as the search by location function.